Today, we are starting with the last chapter of the syllabus of English language, that is chapter 45, Writing Notices. So, this is about how to write a notice. When you simply want to inform someone about something, you just want to provide information, so that we provide in the form of notice. So, a notice is a sheet of paper giving information. It is in this sense that the word notice is used here, where you just want someone to notice the thing. Means just to provide the information about something. For example, there are a lot of activities that happens in the school, or so many notices that are provided. Every Saturday we conduct the activities in the school, and for that we provide you a notice. So what that notice contains, then what is the activity, what is the name of the activity, at what time we will be conducting that activity, the date of the activity. We do not mention the venue nowadays because all the things are happening online. Otherwise, the venue is also mentioned, that where we will be conducting the activity. So, what are all the things that should be included in the notice? The date on which the notice was written, a description of the thing, then the all other description, time, place. The notice can be about an event. The notice can be about something when it is lost, and you want to inform the people that these things are found, and the people who are concerned, they can contact to such and such person at such place between this and this time. So the notices can be written for different purposes, just to provide a piece of information. Now there is a proper way, a manner in which a notice is being written. So the notice is written in a box format. First of all, what is necessary in the notice? That box. Now, there are the things that are included here within this box. All these have to be in a sequence, and that sequence should be followed in case of all the notices. Whenever you are writing a notice, that sequence has to be followed. The first thing is a catchy headline. What is the notice all about? It will not be exactly the heading of the notice, but a something catchy which attracts the attention of the reader towards the notice, which develops the interest of the reader to read the notice further just after reading the headline. Then after comes the name of the event. Name of the event, and here we will leave one space. After the headline, we will leave one space, and after that space, we will write the name of the event. After writing the name of the event, next thing comes is the date. Again, we will leave one space, then date on which the event will be held. This will be the date on which the event or the activity, or for the purpose for which you are writing the notice, is to be conducted. Then you will write the time. After date, at what time the things will be conducted. Then venue. What is the place where the particular activity will be conducted, and at the end you will give one line description. One line description means anything apart from all this that we want to add. For example, suppose if we are conducting the activity in the school, so the headline is the name of the event, date, time, and venue, and the contact, the interested students can give their names to whom that thing can be mentioned here, or the interested candidates can contact on the given number. You can give a contact number. So just the description has to be very brief. It would be good if you will write the description only in one line. Okay, so this is the format for writing the notices. Now, keeping in mind this format, I'll give you one example of writing a notice. Suppose there is a debate competition which is to be held. So, how one will write the notice for that debate competition? I'll tell you. And do not forget to draw the box, and everything will be written in the center. We did not start anything from the corner. All the things will be written in the center of the box. Nothing we will start from the corner. And the same sequence, the headline, then the name of the event, date, time, place, and the description. So, for example, if I'm writing for the debate competition, topic is you have to write a notice for a debate competition. So, first of all, we need to find out a catchy headline. What can be a catchy headline for a debate competition? It can be War of Words, Beat the Heat, mind, or so on, whatever you think is suitable. Suppose I'm taking, first we will draw the box. Box is drawn here. Now, after this, I have to put here a catchy headline. Suppose I'm writing War of Words. This is the headline, not actually the heading or the title of the event. This is the catchy headline. Then after this, we will write the name of the event. Inter debate competition. What it is actually? Actually, it is a debate competition. So, after the headline, we have written the name of the event, that is inter-school debate competition. Then you can write here on. On means we are going to mention the date. So, suppose I'm writing here 2nd January 2020. This is the date. Then time. We can mention 9 a.m. to 12 p.m. 9 a.m. to 12 p.m. Now we have to mention the venue. So here you can write at means the place. or you can also write venue. You can write both the things. You can simply put the heading venue or you can write or at. Suppose I am writing at. So, at where's the place? The auditorium. Auditorium. Saint Joseph Inter College, Lucknow. This is the place where this particular event will be held. Okay. Now the description in one line. All the interested participants from class 6, 8 can give their names to, now I am writing here, the class teacher latest by 28th December 2020. This is the description of the event in one line. Here we have all the information that what is the event, when it will be conducted, at what place it will be conducted, and after that just one line description that all those participants from class 6 to 8 who want to take part in the debate competition, they can give their names to their class teacher. And what is the last date for giving the names to the class teacher is 28th December. So this is just a short piece of information in a brief manner. Here you have all the details about the event. See, we have followed all the steps here. The first one was the catchline, the headline that we have given. Then the name of the event, inter-school debate competition. Then the date on which the event is to be conducted. Then the time, duration when the event will be conducted. After that, the place, the venue, you can write it here. Here also, instead of on, you can put the heading date or you can write on, which is used to write the date. The venue we have mentioned and then the one line description of the event. So this is the way we write the notices.